If you're planning a trip to France, you probably know that a few key French phrases can make a world of difference. So, I'm Natalie, a Ukrainian girl living in France, and I'm here to share my personal insights on French language, culture, travel, and everyday life here. In this video, I'll share some of the must-know phrases that will help you get the most out of your trip to France, whether you greet and order food or simply ask for directions. So let's start with the basics. In France, a warm bonjour is essential for polite interactions. So you can use it when you are in the shop, a restaurant, or when greeting someone. For saying goodbye, say au revoir, au revoir. And you can also add bonne journée, bonne journée, or when it's evening, bonne soirée, bonne soirée. So it will sound this way. Au revoir, bonne journée, or au revoir, bonne soirée. And merci to show appreciation and s'il vous plaît when you make requests. When it comes to ordering, start with je voudrais. Je voudrais. For example, je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. When you are ready to pay, you can just say l'addition, s'il vous plaît. This lets your server know that you would like the bill. To ask for directions, use où est, like où est la gare? That phrase is simple but incredibly useful. If you're unsure of the answer, try asking parlez-vous anglais? Parlez-vous anglais? Many people will be happy to help if you make an effort with French first. In emergency situations, remember aidez-moi, aidez-moi, or je suis perdu, je suis perdu. Other helpful phrases include appelez un médecin, and où est l'hôpital? Où est l'hôpital? This could be lifesavers if you find yourself in a tough situation. And that's it, mes amis. With just these few phrases, you will be ready to navigate France like a pro, believe me. For even more phrases to make your trip smoother, be sure to check out my ebook, which covers 300 essential phrases for every situation a traveler might face in France. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and hit the bell button for more useful videos. Bon voyage! Ciao!